Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video we have a 2015 Ford Police Utility Custom Green that has about 113,000 miles that is now ready to be sold. This car has it all, guys. Custom paint, tinted windows, Weston, brand new Weston push bar. It's got some things inside that I'm going to show you in this video that you're going to be like, wow. Okay, so if you have any questions about this video or this if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call 909-457-5500 and I'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions and help you get in the vehicle if needed. All right guys, well, this is the big boss's car, and now it's ready to be sold. All right, here we go, guys. 15 Explorer Police Utility. Let's go. All right, so you have LED. Okay, guys, LED spotlights on both sides. They are turned on, fully functional. The car is already on. It's on idle. Like that, you guys get to hear the engine while I'm doing the video. It's got a Weston, brand new Weston push bar. Okay, that is brand spanking new. Okay, check it out. All right, we got Goodyear Eagles all the way around. Good tire life remaining. This is a one of a kind, guys. You will never see another Ford Explorer like this. If you've seen it in Southern California, because it was mine, okay, that's it. But yes, guys, it is for sale. Antenna at the top, not connected, just display only. Okay, guys. This is an all-wheel drive 3.7 non-turbo. Okay, that's all-wheel drive 3.7. All right. So what do we have here? So we have our parking sensors in the rear. Obviously they're all-wheel drive. Okay, all-wheel drive. You have amber in the corner, amber on all four lights, right? Because you cannot flash white in your tail lights, right? So amber lights, I will show you the functionalities on that later in the video. Okay, this is not a flex fuel vehicle. This is just regular gas. All right. Super quiet, absolutely gorgeous. Remember, guys, none of my cars are salvage, frame damage, anything to do with any title issues. They are all clean titles. No airbag deployment on my vehicles. I don't get involved in none of that stuff. No, thank you. Have a nice day, right? So all my cars, clean titles, okay? All right, so now let's get to the interior. Let's hope this sunlight will be on our side here and help us give it a good video here. So we got ballistic door panels on the doors. The door is very heavy, okay? It's got 113,889 exactly on the miles. All right, you have adjustable pedals. Okay, obviously your mirrors, your spotlights, right? On and off switch. Okay, you do have, okay, your radio. This radio, you actually can It is Bluetooth ready, so the Bluetooth does work on this vehicle. Okay. Now, super cold AC. You got a cool ticket light, right? That's fully functional, obviously. You have a Co3 Z3 setup. Okay, the PA system. It does work. It does work. Test, test. So, fully functional PA system. Co3. You have air horn. Okay. You have, you have your manual. Hang on, the light on. There it is. You have your manual siren. You have your whale. Yelp. And your out tone. Okay. Fully functional. Code 123 or 123. Yeah. Okay. These are not functioning because this is more for a light bar. The vehicle is not equipped with a light bar. Okay. These are like your takedowns, but everything's already connected. Like your spots here, they're already connected manually, so you could just hit the switch. Okay. So let's get to the rest of the vehicle. Okay, guys. So you have a nice center console, right? All right. We'll get back to the features of the car in a bit later. All right. So let's get to the rest of the car. Okay, you got a flush metal panel, hard plastics. Okay, full cage. Okay, partitions, plastic seats, seat belts, rear cage. Okay, absolutely crazy. Check it out. All right, so I'm going to show you now the trunk. One second. Okay, so here's your trunk. So you got metal window, I guess, just protection on the window, or metal guards on this side and on the right side. Oh, some zip ties. We'll get rid of those. All right. Hard metal cover. Okay. Perfect. All right. Let's look at it from this side now. So this is your passenger rear door. Sorry guys about the sun glare. It's not cooperating right now. It's not on the right side where the video will come out real nice. But I needed to make this video because I'm working on another car, and I probably would not have time later. So I do apologize for that. Okay, this is the passenger door front. Super heavy. Seats are in pretty good condition. You have your dome light is white and red. Okay. Awesome. All right, now let me show you the engine. All right, so here's our engine. I'm going to be quiet now so you can hear the actual engine idle. Remember, it's a 2015 3.7 gasoline engine. All right, one second. So here's a view of the the tail lights for the vehicle. Okay, so we got ambers. Okay, just sorry guys, the sun here. Awesome. Now let me show you the fronts. You could barely see them. Amber white, right? All right, here's a better shot of the actual lights. This is from the inside of our warehouse. So there you go. There's your rear amber whites. I'm sorry, rear ambers. Sweet. And here's your front. Amber white. Amber white. All right guys, sorry about the film quality of this video. I do apologize, but if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching guys. Consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button. Have a blessed day.